Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this Staunichy's Mundare sausage. Apparently, it's famous, and these are on sale. There's the ingredients if you guys want to be aware there. It is does have MSG, and it does have nitrates in there, so be aware of that. But yeah, we'll do a quick taste test and see how well it tastes, so be right back. Okay, so there it is. I mean, they're good. They're not overly dry, like like hot rods or actually quite moist. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. Definitely check it out, guys. Just be aware of those things that are in there. All right, see more videos.